Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
Good morning, guys. It's the 7th of January and it is a Friday. It is the last day of the first working week of 2022. Guys, I wanted to apologise for yesterday. We couldn't get our daily morning analysis out yesterday morning due to some technical difficulties outside of our control. So we apologise for that, guys. But today is a new day, all right? And we've got some trade ideas for you today. So the first one is this. This is the euro against the pound, all right? We've been shorting this all week from this grey zone. And as you can see, it keeps rejecting this grey zone. So I still think we have room to the downside. And if I show you the weekly chart, okay, guys, so this is the weekly chart. So our higher time frame target is this blue line, 8304. And I've put it there due to these last lows from many weeks ago. All right, guys, so we're looking to short the euro against the pound. We have been doing this all week. Let's look at H1 for execution. So as you can see, guys, yeah, we've got our grey zone. I took profit off of this candle. I took profit off of this candle. Okay, so yeah, we've been taking profits from this all week. Just down to these lows here, guys. Okay. All right, but today we're looking for the same. We're looking for price to retrace up into this grey zone. All right, and then we want to see a bearish candlestick pattern like we did here, Okay, and then we can take price back down to these lows here, guys. All right, back down to these lows. All right, that'll be our first target, and then we can leave some money on the trade and take it back down to that weekly blue line that we just looked at. Okay, guys, so that's the first trade idea for today. The second one is this. This is the Aussie dollar against the New Zealand dollar. I've also been shorting this from yesterday, guys. Okay, so as you can see, we had 2 days ago, we had price reject these highs. Then we followed by another bearish candle yesterday. So I still think we can take price back down to this blue line here. First of all, the last daily low, so 0.582, and then we can perhaps leave some more money on the trade and take it down to 0.552. Let's look at H1 for execution. So yeah, okay, guys, so we're looking for price to retrace up into this grey zone. Yeah, then we want to see a bearish candlestick pattern, and then we can take price back down to these lows first of all. Okay, and then we can leave some money on the trade and take some of the trade down to this blue line here, guys. All right, so that's the second trade. Aussie dollar against the New Zealand dollar. We are shorting, we are selling this market. The third trade idea today, guys, is the Aussie dollar against the Canadian dollar. We're looking to short this market. As you can see, yesterday we had a huge bearish candle. Okay, so I think we can take price back down to this blue line here of 9054, and then even possibly this blue line here at 0903. So let's look at H1 for execution. So yeah, I've got a couple of grey zones here, guys. So price, because of the daily candle is so bearish, price might only retrace into this grey zone. Okay, then a bearish candlestick forms. We can take it back down to this low and then leave some money on the trade and take it back down to our daily targets. Okay, if that doesn't happen, price could retrace up into this grey zone. Okay, but again, I'm just looking for a bearish candlestick pattern, and we can take price back down to these lows here, and then again leave some money on the trade and take it back down to our daily targets. All right, guys, so yeah, they're the 3 trades for today. Let's take a look at the NEWS. Before I start the news, guys, if you're enjoying this daily morning analysis and would like to receive it every single morning, Monday to Friday, then please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button, and then you will receive this analysis every single morning. All right, guys, so go ahead and do that. Okay, so the news today, guys. So not much overnight. Nothing really happened overnight. The first interesting news for today is this at 9:30 GMT coming out of the UK. We have some construction PMI. This is the first 3-star rating that we're looking at. All right. Next piece of news that is of interest, another 3-star rating at 10 o'clock GMT coming out of the Euro. This is CPI or inflation figures coming out of there. Carry on down, we've got more news today at 1:30 GMT coming out of the US. Another 3-star rating. We've got non-farm payrolls. So this can really affect any US dollar pair that you are in. Also at 1:30 we have more employment data coming out of the US and also the Canadian dollar at 1:30 as well. So employment figures coming out for both of those countries. Again, this can really move any US dollar or Canadian dollar pair. Also coming out of Canada at 3 o'clock GMT, we've got a 3-star rating. This is the IVPMI. All right. And other than that, guys, as you can see, no more other news to speak of. Guys, yeah, if you've enjoyed the vid, please subscribe, like, and share with your trader friends. And I hope you have a wonderful trading day and enjoy the last day of the week. Okay, guys, and I will see you on Monday.